Nate Chen, and today we're at Committed Service Brand where we're launching our Formula Drift Pro 2 program build. I got the license last year in the Formula Drift Pro-Am shootout at Langley Speedway, and this year we're getting things started with the engine build. We're switching from a 6.2 liter aluminum naturally aspirated block to a 6 liter iron block that's fully built and has a supercharger on top. So the reason we did this was because some of the other engine options, such as a JZ motor, are just way too expensive and hard to come by, and this is the most economical and reliable way to make the power we need to be competitive right off the bat in Pro 2. And I got two engines this year. As we learned last year, we sometimes blow up the motors and need a spare, and I've seen a lot of other teams struggle with not having a spare. So without further ado, let's get to it. So we've torn most of the motor down at this point, and so far so good. We found a little bit of wear in the cylinders, but not a big deal because we're just going to bore it out anyway. Bottom line is we have a great base to build something even better off of, and that's exactly what we're going to do. Really looking forward to doing the other motor another day as John looks at me with daggers because he's tired of it, tired of me for the day. But yeah, so far so good. We're going to finish taking out everything, getting it down to the bare block, and then probably call it a day.